Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a job alert on the Glassdoor application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the saved button down below on the left side of the screen, marked with the heart icon. After that, click on the third category at the top of the screen, which is job alerts. After that, click on the create middle of the screen. Then you should type in the job title or keyword into the first box. Then type in your location into the second box. Here you can tap on new jobs notification button. You can select when would you, or the frequency of the emails or job notifications that you would like to get, never, daily or weekly. And when you are done selecting, click on the create button down below, thereby creating your job alert. As you can see, the application is asking for your permission so that it will be able to send you notifications via email. So click on the allow button and now your job alert is created. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.